Hello everyone, myself Mr. Jangle Sanket Surendra, lecturer from Mula Education Society's Mula Rural Institute of Pharmacy, Sone. Today we will discuss the chapter First Aid. This chapter is generally discussed for the first year diploma in pharmacy students. Learning objectives: the students should understand the following definition of first aid kit and types of first aid treatment in various accidents, shock, snake bite, burns and scars, poisoning, heart diseases, fractures, and cardiopulmonary resuscitation with their methods, and various elements of minor surgery and dressings. Definition and principle of first aid. First aid is defined as the immediate treatment given to the accident victim or sudden illness quickly and correctly before medical help is made available. It's called as the first aid. It is also defined as an immediate temporary emergency aid given by the layman to the sufferer in case of medical emergency. It may be either accident or sudden illness. The duty of the first aider is to render aid until the arrival of the physician. Once the medical practitioner takes a complete charge, the responsibility of the first aider ceases. Proper first aid may save the life of the patient and reduce his suffering. Everybody should take first aid training because medical emergency may arise anywhere and at any time, but as a pharmacist our responsibility is still greater because people expect much more from pharmacist, and this is justified in view of his knowledge and training. The accidents required immediate attention and prompt treatment. If person does not get medical help in time, then his life may be in a danger. In this case, the first aid treatment is given till the medical aid by a doctor is available. Now, the objectives of first aid are to prevent any danger to life, to prevent further injury, to give relief from pain, to make medical care available at the earliest. Principles of first aid: careful evaluation of the situation, maintenance of respiration, functioning of heart, control of bleeding, prevention or management of shock, splinting of fracture, and dressing of wounds. Now, the another point is the first aid kit and types of first aid. First aid kits means a small portable first aid should be available in every home, schools, colleges, buses, factories, swimming pools, and at the public places. This kit should contain the following articles such as sterile gauze, bandages of different size, triangular bandages, adhesive bandages, a pair of scissors and forceps, aromatic spirit, antiseptic solutions like Dettol, Savolon, etc., burn ointment, emergency drugs like painkillers, antibiotics, and packets of oral rehydration salt, etc. Type of first aid: accidents may occur at any time and at any place. The patient can be examined for the following. First one is the pulse rate, second one is his breathing, and third one is the pallor, means degree of whiteness of tongue, conjunctiva, and nails. Fourth one is the color of tongue and lips, bleeding, fracture, burns, and poisons. After noting the brief history of the accident, prompt first aid must be given. Delay at any stage may lead to the death of the patient. Here you can see the first aid kit box, which consists of a splints, aspirin, triangular bandages, sterile pad, cotton applicators, adhesive bandages, gauze roller bandages, first aid manual, antiseptic, alcohol, absorbent cotton, peroxide, elastic support bandage, scissors, and tweezers. Now, starting with the accidents definition, anything that happens unexpectedly and by chance which affects the health of a person can be called as an accident. Accident can happen at any time and at any place, the intensity of which may vary from minor skin abrasion up to sudden death of the victim. Many accidents are the results of carelessness, neglectness, and momentary lack of concentration on the part of human beings. They are also caused due to tiredness, stress, worry, anger, illness, bad news, or good news, or drinking of the alcohol. The accidents can be classified as indoor accidents, outdoor accidents, accidental poisoning, and seasonal accidents. First one, indoor accidents. The accidents which takes place at a kitchen where gas stove, electrically operated kitchenware cookers and appliances are used. Another one where the bathrooms where electronic geysers are used and the acid bottles are kept for the cleaning. Sitting rooms and dining rooms, staircase and landings of the homes. Outdoor accidents, those accidents which takes place at roads, workplaces where machines are used, sport grounds, sea, river, well, lakes, swimming pools, etc. Accidental poisoning, the poisoning which occurs either accidental such as food poisoning or intentionally to commit a suicide, bites and stings such as dog bite, snake bite, and seasonal accidents, for example, summer season, heart stroke, winter season, chilblain, fire accidents in Diwali, etc. First aid treatment in accidents. First of all, redirect the traffic if necessary. Do not allow anybody to smoke because it may cause fire or explosion if petrol has spilled due to accident. If bleeding is there, control it immediately by direct pressure on the affected areas. If heartbeat or breathing is not proper, try to revive it. Arrange proper ventilation and avoid crowd. Keep cool and calm the victim at his mental level. Call for a doctor or arrange an ambulance. Keep the injured person mouth and nose free from obstructions by omit in order to avoid choking of windpipe. If person is unconscious, do not give him anything to drink. If fracture is there, do not remove fracture part. Keep the body of injured person warm by covering with blankets and take the injured person to the hospital as early as possible. Second one, starting with the shock or stroke. Shock is defined as a condition of severe depression of vital functions of the body due to poor circulation of a blood. Shock may be due to excessive loss of blood as occur after internal or external hemorrhage, head injury, chest injury, dehydration due to severe diarrhea or vomiting, burns, electric shock, poisoning, severe bacterial infection, allergic reactions, overdose of a drug like narcotics or barbiturates, or emotional shock due to personal happiness or sadness. Shock is a very serious condition if not treated or handled promptly and properly may lead to the death. So, prompt and efficient first aid treatment should be given. Types of the shock: there are the different types of the shock. Hemorrhage shock, in which there is the there is excess loss of blood due to the severe injuries, burns, or dehydration. Second one is the neurogenic shock, which occurs due to the nerves are involved but there is no blood loss. Third one is the anaphylactic shock, which occurs due to the allergic reaction. And fourth one is the toxic shock, which occurs due to the toxicity. Signs and symptoms of the shock: they includes dryness of a mouth, blueness of a lips, paleness of a skin, coldness of a skin, pupils get dilated, vision blurred, anxiety, difficulty in breathing, fast pulse and temporary loss of consciousness, BP gets low, drop of the perspiration appears on the lips, forehead, palms and soles. He feels thirsty. Sometimes patient may seem alert but may suddenly collapse. Emergency treatment of shock. Following tips should be considered. First one, take a patient to the well ventilated area, disperse the crowd tactfully so as to provide proper ventilation and relief from fear and anxiety to the patient. Keep the patient in a supine, means in a lying down position with head lowered and turned to a side. Raise the legs slightly up so as to improve the circulation. If there is difficulty in breathing, raise the head and chest to the patient. Loose the clothing around chest and neck. Keep the patient warm with a blanket and immediately shift him to the hospital. Third disease or third emergency treatment is of a snake bite. There are about 2500 species of a snake. Out of these, only 200 are poisonous. All sea snakes are poisonous. Snake bite in its self-defense. Most of the people dies not because of a venom but from fear and wrong treatment. In case of snake bite, try to identify the type of the snake, because if snake is non-poisonous, there is no need of giving an anti-venom treatment. But if snake is poisonous, anti-venom treatment should be given. Signs and symptoms of snake bite: they are mild to moderate. Snake poison induces nausea, vomiting, mild swelling and pain at a site of wound, shortness of breath, rapid pulse and dimmed vision, convulsions and paralysis. First aid treatment for the snake bite. First aid treatment is the measure taken by a victim or associates soon after the bite before medical treatment is given. When facilities of medical treatment are accessible, the victim must be shifted without delay. The first aid measures are: lay the patient down, give him an assurance as he is frightened. Do not allow him or her to move the bitten part, as the movement may favor faster absorption of poison into systemic circulation. Apply a constricting band, cloth, or tourniquet above the fang mark to prevent the spread of poison to other parts of the body through veins, and to prevent the flow of blood towards the hurt. Wash the wound with soap and water. Make a sharp corrosive cut over bitten area and allow to bleed by squeezing the area. Suck out the poison with a suction pump or mouth carefully and spit it out. Be sure that there are no ulcers. If breathing ceases, give artificial respiration. The patient should be shifted to a hospital as early as possible, where anti snake venom serum 20 ml is given intravenously immediately after sensitivity test. Further, doses are repeated every 6 hours till symptoms disappear. Today we will stop with this. In next lecture we will see the cardiopulmonary resuscitation, burns and scald and various diseases which are remaining. Thank you very much.